Hello guys, if today now your first time you come here, you are very lucky. You know why? Because the sale is about to happen. We are opening our new store, another new store where you get to bless us. And for that reason, we are making a big sale. This time is really big time. It's a bomb. 50% discount for those who they come to the shop. For those who come into the shop, 50% discount. Why 30% discount for those who shop online. And if you want to buy from the website, just search for www.austinglobalskincare.com. That is it. Other than that, you can just pick the number on the screen, then chat us via WhatsApp. If you need a whitening product, authentic whitening product, trust me, you'll get them from us. You see all the soap that I'm just showing you, yes, all of them. If you want to come to the shop and get a 50% discount. Or you from online, you can just get them 30% discount. And these are whitening products. For those of us who don't like using lotions, you can be using a whitening black soap. For those of us who don't want to use soap, you can be using our oil. Yes, we have extra whitening oil, we have extra glowing oil, and we have extreme whitening powders. These powders, they are just one type powders that when you use them, you will always have testimony. For those of you who have sunburn, there are products that you can buy from us that you will use to clear off your sunburn. How about the knuckle? You can use the blend pronine to treat your knuckles. You can use the blend pronine to activate your cream. You can use the blend pronine also to tone up in 7 days. That is true for those of you who've used it before. So opportunity come but once. That is what they say. But I believe opportunity always come at any time. But this is one of it. Don't miss this one, because this one is really huge. So I urge you to really do the right thing by placing order. Don't come tell me later that, oh, Austin Global, you did tell me that this was going on. And that is why I'm telling you right now. For us that we are far in abroad, place your order. For us that in Nigeria, whatever you are, come that day. We don't want to drop the date yet because we're still putting some things together. You see, when I show a video of the shop the other day, yes, because this time is really massive. So for those of us who want to do physical training as well, also you can fly down from wherever you are, fly to Nigeria, come to Austin Global shop there, and there you will do the training. Don't forget, we ship everywhere, regardless of where you are. We ship everywhere. And the truth is, put it in mind, have it in mind that yes, this sale that is coming is really big, and it's all about you. It's all about you for your problem to get solved. A problem share is a problem solved.